Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating essentials. Update Voicemod and the soundboard component, then run Voicemod as administrator so permissions aren't blocking audio routing. Next, set your OS default input to the physical microphone you want. This prevents the app from grabbing the wrong driver. Once those basics are set, open the soundboard tab and ensure each slot has a source and volume enabled. If you see a red or muted icon, unmute it now and reselect the input to confirm the change. Now focus on routing and driver consistency so audio flows cleanly. In Voicemod settings, pick your real mic as input and Voicemod virtual audio as output, and make sure sample rates match across Windows and Voicemod to avoid drops. Disable exclusive device control in the Windows sound panel so no single app can steal audio. Once done, open your streaming or chat apps, OBS, Discord, etc., and explicitly select Voicemod Virtual Audio as the microphone to ensure finish by testing. Play several soundboard clips while watching levels in Voicemod and in your target app so you catch clipping or latency, and adjust gain accordingly. If problems persist, restart Voicemod, then restart Windows Audio Services. Reinstall your audio drivers as a deeper fix. Make sure to test after each change, and if nothing improves, try a clean boot or an alternate user profile to rule out conflicting startup apps. That one step often reveals the hidden conflict causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.